Greetings, Seckman Elementary students and staff. As you know, my name is Mr. Baker, the principal.
And I am, as you all know, Mr. Shreve, the assistant principal.
Guys, just want to take a few seconds to talk to you about what our theme is. As you can tell from the shirts, we have a theme of under construction this year here at Seckman Elementary. And what that really means is a change in just our culture and climate, and whether that's when you walk in you can see how the front of the building looks, how clean it looks on the inside, all the way to what's going, the learning in the classroom, and then again also the culture and climate. You all had to take a survey at the end of last year which gave us some input and feedback on what we can do to help make Seckman Elementary even a better place to learn for you guys.
In the next few slides you're going to meet all the staff that work here, so everyone's familiar and there's no strange faces. After that, you're going to go through a very enjoyable day. You're going to learn the rules that we have so we're all on the same page, so we all know what to expect, so there's no surprises.
We are the Seckman Elementary office staff.
I'm Mr. Guerin, building aide.
I'm Mrs. Estapari, secretary.
I'm Miss Cole, the counselor.
I'm Mr. Shreve, the assistant principal.
I'm Mrs. Goldsmith, the secretary.
Mr. Baker, building principal.
Miss Moreland, another counselor.
Miss Fisher, school nurse.
We're the kitchen staff. I'm Miss Leah. I'm Miss Marty. I'm Miss Lisa. Miss Chris.
Hi, we're the custodial staff. I'm Mark.
I'm Dustin.
I'm Rosalie.
We are the specials.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Collins. I teach PE. Hi, I'm Mrs. Callahan and I teach music.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Sloan and I teach art. Hi, I'm Mrs. Ahrens and I'm not the librarian from the Black Lagoon, but you can check it out if you want to.
We're the special ed department.
I'm Mrs. Pirazzo.
I'm Mrs. Ablin.
I'm Mrs. Green.
I'm Mr. Manning.
I'm Miss Copeland.
I'm Miss Risher.
I'm Mrs. Richardson.
I'm Mrs. Clark.
I'm Mrs. Taylor.
I'm Miss Howley.
I'm Mrs. Mertz.
I'm Mrs. Middleton.
And I'm Mr. Bradley.
Hi,
we're kindergarten.
Hi, I'm Miss Wasson.
I am Miss Freeman.
I'm Mrs. Spradley. Miss Zaretsky. And I'm Miss O'Reilly.
Hi, we're first grade.
I'm Mrs. Hens.
I'm Mrs. Brown.
I'm Miss Coat.
I'm Miss Sherman. I'm Mrs. Cookson.
Hi, we're second grade.
I'm Mrs. Loretta.
I'm Mrs. Ray.
I'm Mrs. Ferguson.
I'm Mrs. Stellar.
And I'm Mrs. Collins.
Hi, we're third grade.
I'm Mr. Ray.
I'm Miss Harvey.
I'm Mrs. Van Meter.
I'm Miss Ardinger.
And I'm Mrs. Brand.
Hi, we're fourth grade.
I'm Mrs. Randolph.
I'm Mrs. Harrington.
I'm Mrs. Dickerman.
I'm Miss Burris.
And I'm Mrs. Salzman.
Hi, we're fifth grade.
I'm Mrs. Fliggy.
I'm Mr. Kurtz. I'm Mr. Claxton.
I'm Miss Palermo.
Hi, we're sixth grade.
I'm Mrs. Santos Coy. I'm Miss Van Ryan.
I'm Mr. Pershrow, and I'm Mr. Cookson.